I'm Dr. Kiki, and this is the Science Word. Today, I'm bringing you the good, the bad, and the cell phones, not necessarily in that order. Researchers at Lund University, Henrietta Nitby, and Leif Salford are on a mission to discover just how bad cell phones are for our brains. In a recent study, they explored whether microwave radiation from cell phones causes cognitive deficits, like memory loss. They found that compared to controls, rats exposed to GSM 900 cell phone radiation for 2 hours a week for 55 weeks were worse at remembering objects they'd seen sometime in the past. But don't go blaming your lost keys or misplaced car on your cell phone just yet. These are animal studies, not humans, so it's still unknown how or even whether our memories are affected by cell phone radiation. Research on the safety of cell phones is quite complex, and while some researchers like Nitby and Salford think that the radiation from cell phones can cause damage to the blood-brain barrier and neural tissue, the literature is not consistent. But if you'd rather be safe than sorry, consider hands-free devices that will keep the radiation far away from your most important asset. I know we would all like to have an excuse, like it was the cell phone's fault, to explain our memory problems, but it turns out that sometimes it's just the way the brain works that makes memory funky. A study by Jason Chan at Iowa State University puts yet another nail in the coffin of eyewitness testimony. It turns out that recalling an event increases the chances of introducing incorrect information into the memory of the event. The recall process might reinforce any misperceptions or even open the memory up to alteration by making it malleable. The real question then is, do you really know what you think you know? With all the negative press around cell phones, it's nice to hear something positive once in a while. Nokia and UC Berkeley researchers have teamed up to create a system that might help make your commute easier. Using GPS tracking information from cell phones, the system maps traffic. It lets users know about traffic jams by locating clusters of cell phones on the road. The more users, the better the system will get. If you are interested in taking part in the cell phone traffic project, you can download the software from traffic.berkeley.edu. And for a final happy note, tell people around you whenever something makes you happy. Research out of UC San Diego has shown what many have known for ages. Happiness is contagious. Just like the flu and other infectious viruses, happiness spreads based on proximity. Those closest to you will benefit. Go make the world happy just by being happy yourself. Spread joy germs. Thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Kiki, and this has been the Science Word. That section over. He puts yet another nail in the coffin of Worcestershire sauce. Worcester. Nokia and UC Berkeley are the word researchers is giving me issues today. Issues. Nokia. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Do that section.